Ingeniatrics is the European leader in the manufacturing of high-performance nebulizers. Our company boasts its own technology, specialized in the generation of microdroplets. Our patents have allowed us to develop the most advanced nebulizer in the world for spectroscopy, the OneNeb, the undisputed market leader. Since 2001, we have designed and manufactured 500,000 nebulizers. We master the aerodynamic process of aerosol formation, which allows us to customize the size of microdroplets, thus improving efficiency and minimizing obstructions, including with highly viscous and encrusting substances. This provides a solution for the introduction of difficult samples in ICP-OES and ICP-MS equipment, such as, for example, sludges or high salinity solutions. The Ingeniatrics team is one of its mainstays and includes experts in fluid mechanics and industrial manufacturing. Tens of thousands of high-quality nebulizers are manufactured in our plant every year. Aside from the most sophisticated applications, our technology also reaches millions of customers through its massive use in humidification of food in supermarkets, saving energy, reducing the use of plastics, and avoiding the waste of thousands of tons of food every year. At Ingeniatrics, we remain committed to R&D and the search for new applications that contribute to a more efficient and sustainable world.